What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you are new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFL passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. I do also want to mention of today's sponsor of Theta Forums, but a little bit more on them later. So I really am getting excited for the new Theta news and updates that I have for you guys. So we're going to see here in a moment, seeing that a lot more of Theta news that has happened in the last week or so. And I'm really looking forward to the end of the video because it's going to segue onto this upcoming video for the new validator for Theta Network. Here, this individual from the Theta community has posted, Theta is the top tweet right now from AWS AI. And also, this, just a heads up, this was posted on roughly August 8th of 2025. Things may change when this video is posted, but overall you can see that here's the AWS AI tab, and Theta Network here is just that AWS reposted, and additionally this amount of likes and just reposts. I guess just more eyes on the platform. Maybe there could be some bots reposting this, but altogether I just feel like it's a positive influence for Theta Network. But anything that you have any comments about, comment down below. Just going on to a little bit more about this partnership that we do see here with Yonsei and AWS. Their labs, Yonsei, has mentioned they're excited to announce that their lab has adopted AWS Trainium via Theta Edge Cloud Hybrid to advance their AI agent research. This partnership lets them run experiments once out of reach, expanding the scale and depth for their research, thanks to Theta Network for the support. So we're going to go on to this. Here is the article you can see here that talks about the initial partnership with Theta Edge Cloud and Yonsei, but we're going to talk about the more recent news of Theta Network, Yonsei, and AWS, and how this overall partnership together can positively influence other universities. It's fantastic to see that's announced. They've been collaborating closely with AWS and Professor at Yonsei for the past 4 to 5 months while integrating Trainium and Inferentia training into their platform. It took a lot of work and many iterations of the proposal to be approved by AWS, but now it's really become a strategic cornerstone for their work going forward. Good job, Theta Network. Again, the price may not reflect where we want it to be, but overall, just to define as to what this necessarily means, this Trainium and Inferentia for AWS. Amazon's Trainium and Inferentia chips are custom designed hardware accelerators for machine learning workloads optimized for specific phases of AI lifecycle. Trainium is designed for efficient and cost-effective training of large language models or large AI models, while Inferentia accelerates the process of making predictions inference from those trained models. So overall, it's just basically having that like AI student, and then they're learning whatever they need to learn that information for whatever process you're trying to perform, and then it's going to be an individual for that AI to be a go-to person, I guess, in a sense, to ask any kind of questions when you have those kind of issues about any certain problems. Comment down below anything about what you think about that. If you do agree or disagree that this is going to be beneficial, maybe because I'm a Theta channel, I'm just biased about that, but it just seems like a positive thing when I'm trying to stay neutral anyways. Before going on to this article as well, I do want to mention of our sponsor of Theta Forum. So just a quick message from them. In the month of August of 2025, Theta Forums will be able to send you 100 TFL for free as long as you sign up with an account, a new account. So this is really for new members only, and if you follow this criteria that I'll list somewhere here, and that's how you are able to obtain your free TFL. You sign up as free, and then posting and engaging in this type of platform is all you really have to do. And after you accomplish that, you'll email this email somewhere listed here, and after that you will receive your free TFL. Making of this advertisement, who knows how far 100 TFL can go, and you can honestly just earn as much just for being a part of this ecosystem. So seeing, we're going to show you guys how the platform is. So it's really easy. Like I said, I'll put the description somewhere here for the criteria. In addition, all you have to do is on the top right here, you'll see the login page. Are looking for making a new account. Unfortunately, this is only for new members only, just to get this more platform going for those who really want to be a part of the Theta ecosystem. Like I said, make a new account, follow the requirements, email this here, and then once that's all created, you'll be able to probably provide your address as to where you want your TFL tokens to. Once all the criteria is met, you will be able to get your free 100 TFL in the month of August 2025. So you don't want to miss out, guys. Definitely check out everything down below, and really am looking forward for just the future of Theta as always. Thank you for Theta Forums for sponsoring this video. Now back onto the content, guys. So going on the Theta network as well, their post, Theta and AWS Cloud recently joined forces to launch Amazon AI chips Trainium and Inferentia on Edge Cloud. And now they're proud to share that Yonsei University's Data and Language Intelligence Lab will be the first customer to use AWS Trainium on Edge Cloud. Going on to the Medium article, again, this was posted on August 8th of 2025. I just wait sometimes to see all the information that comes out. Here you can see a nice banner of all of the partners that are affiliated. This follows AWS's approval of Theta Edge Cloud Hybrid as the first decentralized AI platform to integrate its cutting-edge AI silicon. Theta is the first blockchain network to deploy Amazon's next-generation chipsets and deliver unmatched performance for AI, video, and media workloads. Theta Edge Cloud has been an integral part of their research infrastructure for over the past year. It's been fantastic to collaborate closely with Theta and AWS in the past few months, and with the addition of AWS Trainium, they can now scale their experiments faster, more efficiently, and with greater reproducibility. This enables them to push the boundaries of conversational AI and recommendation systems in ways that were previously not practical, said Professor Dongha Lee. The importance of Yonsei research with AWS Trainium Edge Cloud Hybrid. Using AWS Trainium training instance, purpose-built for high-performance deep learning training at half the cost, Yonsei will pioneer a scalable, reproducible framework for training and evaluating conversational recommendations, also here CR agents. Instead of relying on costly, inconsistent human evaluations, the lab will employ high-fidelity AI-simulated users with memory, personality traits, and evolving preferences alongside automated multi-dimensional evaluation models that measure coherence, informativeness, and persona alignment in real time. The system will refine chatbot models through direct preference optimization, using pairwise preference signals from simulated conversations without the need for manual labeling. Running entirely on AWS Trainium via the neuron kernel interface, deployed on Theta Edge Cloud Hybrid, this framework can simulate millions of realistic user interactions per day, evaluate and improve models instantly within a hardware-optimized loop, and ensure deterministic, reproducible training at scale. This vastly accelerates AI, R&D, research and development, cycles in academia. Beyond recommendation systems, it can be extended to support customer service bots, task planners, tutoring systems, and other goal-oriented conversational AI agents, amplifying its potential across industries. This collaboration is significant. It combines three industry firsts. First, decentralized platform approved by AWS to integrate its custom AI silicon, Trainium and Inferentia. First blockchain network to deploy Amazon's next-generation AI chipsets for real-world workloads. First institutional level customer to adopt Trainium-powered Theta Edge Cloud Hybrid for advanced AI research. By bringing AWS Trainium's high-performance, cost-effective capabilities together with Theta Edge Cloud's globally distributed network of over 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs, researchers now can gain unprecedented flexibility to choose the right compute for the right workload, whether training billion parameter language models, running large-scale inference, or power next-generation generative AI applications. This is not just about faster AI training, it's about changing the economics and accessibility of AI research. Institutions like Yonsei can now train and optimize complex models at fractions of the cost, with reproducibility and scale that traditional cloud or on-premise solutions cannot match. So overall, you can just see from this little quick article that we mentioned, it seems like it's just a positive breakthrough when it comes to AI education and just learning altogether. Who knows how this could be applied to businesses down the road, but I just feel like this is just the beginning for new adoption when it comes to technology. Feel free, like always, comment anything down below, guys, what you would like to mention. There is a few other things I do want to mention, so going back to Mitch here, seeing here's more data and language intelligence lab at Yonsei University, so if you do want to see any news, updates, things like that from this platform, this educational institution, click it right here, and again, you'll see all the links you'll see in this video are down below. Going on to Theta Network, talking about their Theta Guardian node, it looks like the software has been updated to here with the major improvements. Upgrades to the Theta binary means your node is more stable and has fewer errors, and improved networking with other nodes allows for future scaling up to 10 times the number of nodes on the network. Going on to Jinian also as well about the nodes, it looks like they also fixed the QR code not displaying properly when trying to stake. So here is this quick update. Check your Guardian nodes also if it's not updated, just so you guys are aware about this update altogether with the Guardian nodes. Also looks like this individual mention or notices that the chain right here, the mainnet, I'm not too sure exactly how this is going to be incorporated. I do feel like that when it comes to the update for the Edge Cloud, they're trying to integrate it with the Theta and Guardian node, but I'm not exactly too sure how that's going to be performed, but we shall see and see what they do with this chain mainnet tab that is just grayed out, probably just not available to the public just yet. But if you have any other thoughts and comments down below, think about it. If you want to start a conversation, comment down there. Last thing I do want to mention also, because like I mentioned earlier in the previous part of the video, talking about the new validator node that just came online over the weekend of August 10th of 2025. Who could it be? If you're probably up to news or like up to date about Theta partners, you probably do have an idea. Comment down below as to who you think it is, especially if you already know who it is. But for those who are just excited for the announcement that I will cover next week, comment it, anyone that you want or would like to think who it is for next video. But either way, that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber, and really am excited about the next few months for Theta Network. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer though, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I posted in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node. Either way, help out my channel, help the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am excited for the future of Theta Network, future partners, any collaborations, businesses, things like that. I'm still going to be optimistic. Of course, that's the reason why this channel is still growing and people are still subscribing to the channel and people are still staking. So I'm glad to say that there's still hundreds of thousands of Theta tokens on my Guardian node. I am also thankful for the sponsors that are coming onto the channel. I also would not be here without you guys, so thank you very much. Really am looking forward to the future of Theta though. Until the next Theta video, till the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.